Hey, what's up everyone? It's me, Matthew Centopio, and today we're going to look at the latest construction updates for the Haunted Mansion and Tiana's Bayou Adventure. How exciting is this? They are doing a major transformation in New Orleans Square here. Haunted Mansion is under refurbishment. They're extending the queue, and then they're turning Splash Mountain, the former attraction, into Tiana's Bayou Adventure. They're doing both at the same time right now. Wow. You can see a bunch of different Haunted Mansion drawings and paintings. Yeah. Let's see if the magic band thing works. Oh, there's Tiana's. Jeez. Look at that. Yeah. Mom's gonna do the magic band thing. Let's see if it works. Uh-huh. Yeah. Nice. Over at Tiana's Palace, they actually added this new Louis statue. Look at this. Whoa. Wow. That does look cool. Wow. Let's show the water tower. Wow, there we go. There's the water tower. As you can see at the top of the tiara, you had the two stars for Ray and Evangeline. This is in the fog. Tiana's food. Got the barn is still there. They're doing work on the roof. The tree at the top is fully gone. They replaced it with a hill shape with a bunch of flowers and greenery. And over here, right behind these walls, it's going to be the Haunted Mansion gift shop. A new gift shop right by the exit to Haunted Mansion. Going right here. This is the gift shop that I was referring to. That's what it's going to look like. Like I said, they're also doing the queue at the front of Haunted Mansion too. Wow. They still got the Critter Country sign over there. Interesting.
Throughout the whole fucking movie.
Wow. This is absolutely amazing. There's a better look at Haunted Mansion in the back. And as you can see, there's some construction vehicles at the gift shop right now. And then Tiana, they add the trees around, they add the water tower like I mentioned earlier, they add the thing at the top. They're doing the barn right now. They're actually moving wood pieces. Whoa. That's the actual wooden planks that are going to be added. Wow. That's really cool.
Wendy, come here.
It's said that the place is haunted, filled with 999 ghosts, ghouls, and goblins. And they're looking for one more to make it beneath 1,000. If you're brave enough, you should see for yourself after we arrive back at the landing in Frontierland. We're now passing Fowler's Harbor. This is homeport for the three-masted windjammer, the Columbia, the first American ship to circumnavigate the globe. Here's a bit of history for you. The Columbia set sail for Boston Harbor in 1787. She rounded Cape Horn and became the first American ship to carry the Stars and Stripes around the world. Beyond those levee walls on the port side is the Bayou.
Oh, they still have some of the wall left over there.
Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Princess
Most of the wall is gone now.
there's magic out there. And wherever you find magic, you're bound to find surprises. Blue skies and sunshine guaranteed. It's
That's
not
the gift
quite
shop. That's what the gift shop's gonna be. There's Tiana's. So there's some construction on the gift shop, it looks like. Haunted Mansion. See, right there. Looks like they were testing water down here last night. Let me see if something's still there that I saw last night. No, it's been removed. There's a sign there talking about scene 10.
It's part of Critter Country, a remote wilderness filled with tall pines and tall tales about local animals that talk, sing, play music, and dance. Don't you just love tall tales?
There's a sign talking about scene 10 right there. Tiana's.
While you're in Critter Country, you might want to grab a paddle and try your hand at the Explorer canoes.
The Critter Country
You can
sign's
work
still
up a
there.
real good sweat
They
rowing
said
one
that
of those
doing
around the river.
the animal
Me?
swamp area right
I'll
there.
take the comfort of the Mark Twain Riverboat any day.
They're doing full-on construction of Critter Country. This is the old Bayou Patch gift shop over here. They're doing full-on construction on the floor and everything. Look at that. That's the old gift shop. The floor. It looks like the rest of Critter Country is covered with tarps and stuff, so you can't really see the back of Critter Country. But you can see that's where you enter. Tiana's right there.
Alright folks, we're now pulling into New Orleans Square Station. As I mentioned previously, unfortunately this station is closed due to construction, but we will be stopping for operational reasons. Just do us a favor and remain seated. We will be departing shortly.
What a phenomenal water. Phenomenal water, that is awesome. Look. Steam. Wow. Steam is coming out of the train in real time, producing the steam for the train to power up. That's awesome.
Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. The place we're passing over is chock full of them. Here in Critter Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, and other beloved critters on fun-filled adventures where anything can happen.
I hope you all enjoyed this video showing the construction for Haunted Mansion and Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Please subscribe with that middle button if you haven't already, and check out the 2 videos that you currently see on the screen if you haven't already. Okay, goodbye everyone.